Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Viva Sampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshaраsamamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat kritsnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha vakyakaram vadaruchim bhashyakaram patanjalim paninim sutrakarancha pranatosmi munitrayam. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastama Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You can repeat. Alpaksharam asandigdham
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Saravat Vishvato Mukham
Saravat Vishvato Mukham
Stobam Anavadyam Cha
Astobham Anavadyam Cha
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu
Ayun
Ayun
Dalak
Lalak
Eong
Eong
Ouch
Ouch
Ayavarat
Ayavarat
Lan
Lan
Yamangandanam
Yamangan
Jamhai
Japai
Ghadadash
Gadadash
Jabagadash
Jabagadash
Kapha Chathatha Chatato
Kapha Chatata Chatata Kapai
Chashasar
Shashasar
Al
Al
Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha
Itu Yashanam Talu
Itu Yashanam Talu
Ruturushanam Murdha
Ruturashanam Murtha
Lutulasanam Dantaha
Lasanam Dantaha
Upu Padmaniyanam Oshtau
Upatmaniyanam Oshtau
Yamangandanam Nasikacha
Namagananam Nasikacha
Edeitogo Kantatalu
Edaitoho Kantatalu
Odautogo Kantha Oshtam
Odautoho Kantaushtam
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam
Jukhva Muliyasya Jukhva Mulyam
Muliyasya Mulyam
Nasika Anuswarasya
Nasika Anuswarasya
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
रामे
राजमणिः
राजमणिः
सदा
सदा
विजयते
विजयते
रामं
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहिता निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय
रामाय
तस्मै
तस्मै
नमः
नमः
Ramena Bhigata, not Bhigita. There also you can see Sandhi. What Sandhi is?
सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि
Ramena, what Vibhakti Ramena?
चतुर्थी
Chaturthi.
रामेण
is not chaturthi.
तृतीया
Tritiya Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Ramaha, Ramo, Ram. Important Shabda. Rama Shabda is the first Shabda. No, the Rama Shabda. Ramena, Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Ramena plus Abhigata. Ramena Bhigata. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा
सदा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
भो
भो
राम
राम
मामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
Guruji, what is the meaning of abhihata?
Abhigata, destroyed by Rama.
By Rama. Okay, thank you.
It's not that by Rama we have to take the English preposition. Ramena means, in this sentence, Ramena is equal to by Rama.
By Rama.
Not always the Tritiya Bhakti is by with, we cannot connect with the English preposition. That is not correct understanding. Ramena Abhigata. Abhigata means destroyed, killed by Rama. Sometimes for the preposition with we use Ram, Tritiya Bhakti, Ramena. So,
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
it is not the exact English equivalent, Saṃskṛtam equivalent. It is by or with. It's only in the preposition. This, if your understanding is with this English preposition for this vibhakti, then it will create problem later. We will see. We are going to see that when we see vibhakti karaka, you will understand what it is.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay. In the last class, what shabda we chanted? We chanted Rama Shabda, I think. Srilinga.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, all the shabdas you must be knowing.
Yes.
Srilinga. Lakarantaha Strilingaha Tat Shabdaha
दकारन्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः दत्तः
Tatetaha
सातेताः
Tam Tetaha
ताः
Tayatabhyam Tabihi
ताभिः
Tasyaitabhyam Tabhyaha
तस्यैताभ्यां
Tasyaha Tabhyam Tabhyaha Tasyaha Tayogo Tasam
तस्याः
Tasyam Tayogo Tasu
तासु
Then the next shabda. Dakarantaha Strilingaha Etad Shabdaha
दकारन्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
Esha Ete Etaha
एषा
एते एताः
Etam, enam, ete, ene, etaha, enaha.
Etam,
Tam
enam,
enam
ene,
etaha enaha
etaha,
enaha
Etaya, enaya, etabhyam, etabhihi.
Etaya
etaya,
enaya
enaya
etavyam
etabhyam
etabhihi
bihi,
Etasye, etabhyam, etabhyaha.
etasयै,
etasye
etavyam
etabhyam,
etabhyaha
etabhyam
etabhyaha,
etabhyah
Etasyaha, etabhyam, etabhyaha.
etasyaha
etasyaha,
etavyam
etabhyam
etabhyaha
etabhyaha,
etabhyah
Etasyaha, etayogo, enayogo, etasam.
etasyaha
etasyaha,
etayoho
etayoho,
enayoho
enayoho,
etasam
etasam,
Etasyam, etayogo, enayogo, etasu.
etasyam
etasyam,
etayoho
etayoho,
enayoho
enayoho,
etasu
etasu,
Karantaha, strilingaha, kim shabdaha.
मकारान्तः
मकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः
किं
किं
शब्दः
किं
शब्दः
शब्दः
Ka ke kaha,
काके काः
काः
kam ke kaha.
तां
तां
काके काः
केकाः
Kaya kabhyam, kabihi.
कया
कया
काव्यां
काव्यां
काभ्यां
काभिः
काभिः
Tasyai kabhyam, kabhyaha.
कस्यै
तस्यै
काव्यां
काव्यां
काव्यः
काव्यः
Kasyaha kabhyam, kabhyaha.
तस्याः
तस्याः
काव्यां
काव्यां
काव्यः
काव्यः
Kasyaha kayogo kasam.
तस्याः
तस्याः
कयोः
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 कासाम्
कासां
कासाम्
Kasyam kayogo kasu.
तस्यां
तस्यां
कयोः
कयोः
कासु
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 Karantaha, strilingaha, yad shabdaha.
दकारान्तः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः
यत् शब्दः
यद्
शब्दः
शब्दः
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः यद् शब्दः
Ya ye yaha.
या
येयाः
यायेयाः
Yes. Yes, tell me. Padmaji, you're saying something?
No, I don't know whether it's kind of you're breaking up. I don't know if it's with my laptop or it's yours. I don't know. I just wanted to let you know. Kind of breaking up.
No,
It's my
it's
words?
not.
Okay.
It's not for us.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
not for us.
Yam ye
Okay, then it's my
yaha.
problem. Sorry.
Yam
Yam
yeyayaha
yeyaha
Yaya yabhyam yabihi.
yavyam
याभिः
yabhihi
Yasyai yabhyam yabhyaha.
yasye
यस्यै
yavyam yabhyaha
याभ्यः
Yasyaha yabhyam yabhyaha.
yasyaha
यस्याः
याभ्याम्
yavyam
याभ्यः
याभ्याः
yabhyaha
Yasyaha yayoho yasam.
यस्याः
yasyaha
ययोः
yoho
यासाम्
यासाम्
yasam
Yasyam yayogo yasu.
यस्यां
yasyam
ययोः
yoho
यासु
yasu
Yasyam yayoho yasu.
Okay, up to that. Napumsakalinga we will see in the next class. In the did you try the homeworks and the we're doing?
yes Guruji.
Okay. Which was the last sentence we did?
We
It
were
was
about to start Gunasandhi today, Guruji.
oh this
No, last few words were not done.
Last two words were not done, that's all.
We didn't do the last four, like
Last few words were not done.
last, yes.
okay.
Tapyayam. We didn't do that from that.
Last one, which one?
Yeah, those two words in this page.
Adhyapyayam.
Tapyayam, I think. I could be wrong.
Can please confirm which one?
Adhyapyayam.
Page number 39, Guruji.
Okay.
Page number 39.
Mhm.
In Yans on the end of the, before the rule number 1, on top of rule number 1, last 3 or 4, that's all.
Okay. Anyway, I will start from here. We do this. I start from this one. Apyastyayam. Okay. How do you split this apyastyayam? How do you split this apyastyayam?
Api plus asti plus ayam.
Api plus asti plus
Ayam.
ayam. Api plus asti plus ayam. Simple. Okay. So, api plus asti. What's Sandhi?
Yan.
Yan.
Asti plus ayam.
Again yan.
Again yan. You all understand or you want me to type it?
We can understand.
We can understand, Guruji.
Okay. There is some noise. Okay, the next one. Bhavati tyayam.
Bhavati plus iti
Bhavati
plus
plus
ayam.
iti plus ayam.
Bhavati plus iti plus ayam. Bhavati plus iti. What's Sandhi?
Savarna dirgha sandhi.
Savarna dirgha sandhi. Bhavati plus iti. Bhavati ti. Then ayam will be Bhavati iti plus ayam.
Yan.
Yan Sandhi.
Yan sandhi. So Savarna dirgha. Then yan sandhi. Api tyartaha.
Api plus iti plus arthaha.
Iti plus arthaha.
Api plus iti plus artaha. Then next one. Adhyapyayam.
Adya plus api plus ayam.
Adya plus api, adyapi. Savana dirgha. Adyapi plus ayam, adhyapyayam. Okay. I don't know, somebody's mic is, the fan or something is switched off, noise is there. Ityapyekasmin.
Iti
Iti
api.
plus
Iti
api
plus
plus
api
ekasmin.
plus ekasmin.
Yes, iti plus api, ityapi. Ityapi plus ekasmin, ityapyekasmin. Next one. Twapyayam.
2
Plus
plus
2 plus api plus ayam.
ayam.
That's good. 2. It is 2, not twa. 2 plus
Api
api
plus ayam.
plus ayam. There is no twa plus api. Twa plus api, what will happen? Twapi. Yes. So 2 plus api plus ayam. Then the next one.
2 plus api plus asti.
2. Very good. Yes.
2 plus ai plus
2 plus
Api plus asti.
2 plus api plus.
asti.
Please try Batmaji. 2 plus api, whether you get that one. Will you try? Please see that. You will not get that form.
it's twai.
Suppose if it is 2 plus api. 2 plus api will be api.
Api.
But here it is not api. You can see that twai is there. Then api plus 2 plus api plus, if you say asti. Then api plus asti. It will be
2 plus api plus.
top. Yep. Sti will be so. Yes, already we saw this word I think before. That is not the one here. Right? This is the same? Padmaji. No. This is not same, right? So therefore, 2 is not the right one. That you have to change. Api plus asti is pyasti. That is, yep, that is, you can see. Api plus asti. That pyasti is there, that's fine. But the previous, what's the word? That is, somebody said correctly.
Tvayi.
Tvayi. Tvayi plus api plus asti. Tvayi plus api will be Tvayi.
2 plus I, Guruji.
2 plus,
I.
what is I? Is there any meaning of I? I is meaningless. It should be meaningful word, right?
Okay,
So
Guruji.
Tvayi is there. Tvayi means in you. So Tvayi plus api plus. There is not 2 plus I. When you make word, you have to see whether it is such word is there. It should be meaningful word.
What is the meaning of this word, Guruji?
Which word?
This Tvayapyasti.
Tvayi means in you. In you also it is there.
Okay.
I think still you need to practice Sandhi. Yes. You're missing the word, just saying 2 plus api is guesswork. No, it should be correct. See, 2, when you say 2 plus api, it becomes top. There is no top here. Then how come we say 2 plus api? So therefore, it is not 2. Api plus asti, that part is correct. Therefore, the first word you have to figure out correctly. Okay. For that, we should know Tvayi. 2 is known, but what about Tvayi? Tvayi is, we don't know. Tvayi, we don't know, fine. But it cannot be 2. That must be clear. 2 plus I also I will accept to some extent because you don't know. Therefore, you know only 2. Therefore, you say I, but there is no I. Therefore, it is Tvayi. Tvayi is Asmat Shabda. We are going to, Yushmat Shabda. You will see that when you see Yushmat Shabda, you will understand. Tvayi is Saptami Vibhakti, Ekavachan. Tvayi. Okay. Then the next one.
Mai plus Eva plus Arjuna. Mai
Yes.
Eva.
Now we are saying Mayi. What is Mayi?
Mai.
It's correct only. Mayi plus Eva plus Arjuna. Like Mayi, the previous one was Tvayi. Mayi is in me.
That has to be Twayi. Like Mai, that previous has to be Twayi.
That's what I'm saying, yes. Mayi plus Eva plus Arjuna. The next one. Ityapyar.
Iti plus
Iti
Api plus Arjuna.
Yes, iti plus api plus
Arjuna.
Then asmasvapyasti.
Asmasu plus api plus asti.
Very good. Asmasu. Api plus asti must be clear. That we can easily figure out. Asti, last word is asti, and the preceding one is api. Therefore, the first word must be asmasu. Right? Okay. Then the next one. Tvityadihi. What is Tvityadihi?
2
plus iti plus adihi.
Yes. 2 plus
Iti
iti plus
Adihi.
adihi. So adihi, first we have to start from the last word. And that too, if it is a known word, or if that word is not known, if in between, if some word is known word, that you have to figure out. And from that, we have to make out the preceding and the following word. So adihi, the word is there. Adihi means etc. Adihi. Then adihi, I is there in the place of ya, ekara has come. So So therefore, the previous letter, the preceding word must be ending with the letter E. Have to guess E, because E only has become yakara. So yakara plus A becomes A, yadihi. Then and takara is here. Therefore, if the preceding letter is E and takara before that, it must be Ti. That's how you have to guess. One by one.
Oh my God.
You have to work out slowly, then only it will come. You understand what I'm saying, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Guruji.
So the one thing is that a little bit of familiarity with the words is important. Then you have to apply. Okay. So I think we have spent a lot of time on these two sandhis, Samanadirga and Yen Sandhi. These two are very simple sandhis. There's no complication in this. A little bit of homework definitely will help you to understand this. So we'll move on to the next rule. Then the rule number one, that is rule number one means this Dirgha Sandhi. I just saying rule number one, which says when ak is followed by a savarna ak, the last letter of the Purva Pada. I think you all must be familiar with the word Purva Pada, Parapada and all. The last letter of the Purva Pada and the first letter of the Parapada, both will be replaced by the Dirgha. Why Asavarna Dirgha? It's a mistake. When ak is followed by Savarna ak, the last letter of the Purvapada and the first letter of the Parapada, both will be replaced by its corresponding Dirgha. I don't know why I wrote like this. By corresponding Dirgha letter. Rule number two, that is Yen Sandhi. Rule number two, when ik is, please you can correct in your notes. If in your notes you can correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you are taken printout and following that, please correct that. I don't know why I wrote it. Some mistake, typo, copy paste mistake maybe. Rule number two, when ik is followed by asavarna ach, dissimilar vowel, then ik of the Purvapada will be replaced by ik of the Purvapada will be replaced by some mistake is there. I don't know why the sentence is not complete. The ik of the Purvapada will be replaced by yan only. Okay. Something has happened to this file. I don't know. It's replaced by yan. That's it. This is rule number one and rule number two. Okay. This also please correct in your notes. Then the next sandhi today we will see is Guna Sandhi. So we will see Guna Sandhi. Before that, we should know some technical terms. The word Guna is a technical term. Guna and Vriddhi. These two technical terms we need to know. Okay. In Saṃskṛta Vyakaranam, in Sanskrit grammar, these letters A is only the short vowel A. Then A and O. These three letters are called Guna letters. Why they are called Guna letters? There is no reason. Just it's a name. Sanya. Name means Sanya. Sanya given to these three letters. It's a technical term. Just it's a name. A is a Guna letter. A is a Guna letter. O is a Guna letter. These are Guna letters. A, O. Okay. then the sutra is not required now, but just given. Maybe when we see later, we understand. Adeng gunaha. So guna is akara, ekara, okara. These are the guna letters. Then the place of pronunciation of guna letters. Just to recall, we know already. A, that is a short vowel. A is guttural. How do we know? We know it from the Akuka Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. From that Shiksha Sutra we know. Similarly, A is guttural plus palatal. We know it from the Sutra, Ye Daitoko Kantatalu. So O is guttural plus labial. O Dautoko Kanta Oshtam. So by this, we know the Ucharana Sthanam of these letters. These letters, Ucharana Sthanam, important. Now the rule comes. The rule is connected to this three words. This Sanya Guna. What is that? See. The letters A or A at the end of the first word. Please note. The Purva Padam ending with the letter A, that is short vowel A, or long vowel A. This is Purva Padam. When it is followed by dissimilar, non-similar, dissimilar ak. When it is followed by dissimilar ak. When it is followed by dissimilar ak, what happens? Dissimilar is asavarna ak. So dissimilar ak, when we say, so it means it is ik letter. Okay. So the following word must not begin with a or a. That is what dissimilar. If you remove a or a from ak, what remains is only ik. Therefore, that is ik letter. So the letter a or a, when followed by ik letter, then both the letters will be replaced by both the preceding letter, which could be a or a, and the following ik letter will be replaced. Both the letter will be replaced by the corresponding guna letter. We'll understand this with an example. So here, both the preceding and the succeeding are replaced. In Savarna Dirgha also it is like that. Both the preceding and succeeding letters are replaced. Whereas in Yen Sandhi, only the last letter of the Purvapada is replaced. These things you need to remember. So here the condition is very specific. Specific in the sense that Purvapada ending with Akara or Akara. Only when that condition is there. Only when the Purvapada ending with Akara or Akara and followed by ik letter. It should not be followed by a or a. If it is followed by a or a, what will happen? It will fall under the rule number Dirgha Sandhi. Therefore, I have written here dissimilar. It means ik letter. Okay, now I have written the same thing in Saṃskṛtam. Akarat va ivarne pare purva parayogosthane ekaraha adeshaha bhavati. What are the ik letters?
E,
E, U, R, L, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Guruji.
E, U, R, L. So 4 possibilities are there for the Parapadam, for the following word, for the first letter of the following word. And A or A, only these, either one of this could be the first letter. It could be the last letter of the first word. Okay. So, since 4 possibilities are there for the following word, that beginning of the following word, therefore given one by one, you can see that. First possibility is if the Purvapada ending with a or a, that will be ending with a only, that is constant. And the following one, if it begins with E or E, the ik letter, then both will be replaced by the guna letter A. Both will be replaced by the guna letter A. That is a or a of the Purvapada followed by either E or E, then both will be replaced by the guna letter A. This is one possibility. One possibility means taking the ik letter as E. Then the next possibility, we can take the ik letter as U. And the preceding word will be, preceding letter will be that will remain same. But this will change. That is what we are going to see. The next one. Next one you can see.
Yeah,
Akarat, akarat va. Uvarne pare purva parayogastani okaraha adeshaha bhavati. That is, the letters a or a when followed by u or u, then both the letters will be replaced by the guna letter o. So here the following letter is ukara or ukara. The preceding letter is same. Okay. Then the next one. So E, U is done. Then R. Akarat, akarat, va ruvarne pare. Ruvarne means rukara. Ru or ru. Ruvarne pare when it follows. Purva parayogastane ar adeshaha bhavati. The letters a or a and followed by r or r. They are the ik letters. Then what happens? Then both the letters will be replaced by the guna letter r. R is also a guna letter. Okay. R is also a guna letter. You understand? R is also a guna letter. A, O, guna letter. Since A is a guna letter, here the repa appended to R, there is A. That is also considered to be guna letter. We will see how it is later. Then the third one is Likara, which is an ik letter. Akarat, akarat va luvarne pare purva paryogastane al adeshaha bhavati. Al will be the adesha. The letters a or a when followed by the ik letter, which is lu, then both the letters will be replaced by the guna letter al. You can see. So rikara and likara, for these two, the guna letter is what guna letter replaces only a. But what happens is, if it is rikara, repa is added to the letter guna letter a. If it is likara, lakara is added to the guna letter a. That you understand. This is only for ru and lu.
Oh, I see.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
For the letter rikara and likara, you need to know that, note this, repa and lakara will be added to the letter guna letter a respectively. So since the replacement, you can see the replacement here is al is a. That is the a is a guna letter and lakara is added. So a, and here also a. Since the replacements are guna letter a, o, a. Therefore, this is called guna sandhi. Is it clear?
Yes.
So the same thing is given in this table. You can see stani 1, stani 2. Stani 1 is going to be fixed. It doesn't go change. You know, a or a will be there. The last letter of the purva padam. And the following one, the following is the ik letter. which can change e, u, r, and l. Then what happens? Both the sthani 1 and sthani 2 will be replaced by the adesha, corresponding adesha. Okay, corresponding guna adesha will be replaced by corresponding guna letter. So a or a followed by e or e, the replacement is a. A or a when followed by u or u, the replacement is o. A or a when followed by r or r, the replacement is a. The guna letter is a. Because r is there, therefore repa is added to the guna letter, therefore r. Similarly, a or a followed by l, the replacement is a only. And since lukara is also replaced, therefore lakara is appended. Understand this?
Yes.
All of you.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Any
Yes,
doubt in
Guruji.
this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Any doubt in this?
No.
No.
No, Guruji.
So now you need to understand a, o guna letters and al also, depending on the succeeding letter. If it is r, repa will be added. If it is lakara, if it is lakara, lakara will be added. This you must understand. Okay, this must remember. This depends on the following letter. Now, what are the guna letters? Suppose if I ask you, what you will say?
A, E, O.
Good. These three are the guna letters. Now, if the sthani 1 is a or a, and the sthani 2 is e or e, among the three guna letters, because this is going to be a guna sandhi, the guna letters are three: a, and o. Which one will come in the place of both?
A.
A.
A. Why? Why not o?
It is the place of origin.
Pronunciation.
Tell me, explain that.
Pronunciation.
It's not preceded by U, Guruji.
Edaitohu
Succeeded by
kantalu.
U.
Not preceded by?
No, not succeeded by U.
Not succeeded by. What is the answer? I don't understand this. Why? My question is why it is replaced by A? Why not by O? Why O? You're asking not O. Why not? Why not by A then? Why don't you replace it by the letter A?
Because it's not a guna letter.
A is a guna letter.
Sorry. I mean,
So,
the
Guruji,
first sthani is
Guruji,
always fixed.
A is Guruji, A is Kantanya and Talavya, so it's conjunct vowel.
Kantatalu.
O is also kanta, is a conjunct consonant. Sorry, conjunct vowel. Kanta and oshta. What is the exact answer? Girjaji said correctly.
E, O, Ru, and A, O. It is the order.
Not. Okay, what is the
Because the rule
Ucharana?
says a corresponding guna, I think, no? That is why it must be.
That's the question is, what is, how do you say it's corresponding? What does it mean? That's the question is that.
So Guruji, so A has the guna of both A and E, because A is Kantanya and E is
A is
Talavya.
guna letter. It has a guna of I, and it means, okay, it means you are saying A as the place of Ucharana. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah, yes, Guruji.
Yes, that's the answer. A is Kanta. A or A is Kanta. E or E is Talu. So Kanta and Talu. Kanta letter and Talu letter are together, have come up, are close together. Kanta letter and Talu letter. Now, you have got choice. A, O. Three letters are there. Now you have to choose one among them. So when you choose, you have to, this is a Swayambara, the best one to be chosen. If you choose A, which is a guna letter, A is only kanta. A is only kanta. If you choose O, O is kanta and oshta. Oshta is extra. And A is kanta and talu, which has got both the place of ucharanam, preceding varna akara ucharanam also, and succeeding varna ikara ucharanam also is contained in the guna letter A. Therefore, A is the best option among the three. Which is the best one?
A.
A. The same logic. If akara or akara followed by ukara or ukara, why don't we choose A? Because A is kanta talu, whereas O is kanta oshtam,
Oshtam.
and U or U is oshta, A or A is kanta. These two are coming together. Therefore, O is the best option. We cannot choose A because A is only kanta. It doesn't include the oshta, right? There is no oshta in the ucharanam of A. Whereas O has got the
Kanta
oshta also. Therefore, that is the best choice. Okay.
Oshta.
In the case of third thing, A or A followed by Ru or Ru, both will be replaced by. Now, why not by A? A is kanta talu. Why not by O? O is kanta oshta. And here A or A is kanta. Ru or Ru is murdanya. So A and O we cannot choose because it has other than the murdanya letter. What is left out? Only A. Among the three guna letters, A and O ruled out. What is left out is only A. Therefore, we choose only A. Here what we do is, because Ru is replaced by the guna letter A, whenever it replaces, then Repa is appended to the guna letter. So therefore becomes Ar. Therefore we say Ar is the Adesha. It cannot be A or O. That is must be sure. Similarly, for the letter L, you get Al. This is the logic. You can understand logically if you know the ucharana, place of ucharana, right? Understand this?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
So if you understand the logic, then you know the replacement, exact replacement you can say. You will not make mistake in the replacement. So for that we should know the place of ucharanam, Shiksha Sutra, whatever we chanted. We chant every class. So that is important to remember that. Now, the first example you see. Deva Indraha. It's all self-explanatory. You can see, when you read, you will understand. Deva plus Indraha. The last letter is Akara. Indraha, the following letter is E. So now A and E, they are in contact. Purva Pada ending with A. Uttara Pada beginning with Ik letter, which is E. So A plus E. What's Sandhi? It cannot be Savana Dirgha. It cannot be Yen. Why it is not Savana Dirgha? Because both are dissimilar. It is not Yen Sandhi. Why? Because for Yen Sandhi, Ik letter must be followed by Ach. So the preceding letter is not Ik. Therefore, rule 1, rule 2, that is Savana Dirgha or Yen Sandhi cannot be applied. So you have to come to the next rule, which is this rule, Guna Sandhi rule. A plus E, both will be replaced by A. So Dev plus E, Devendraha. So you get the form Devendraha. Deva plus Indraha, you get Devendraha. Understand? A simple example. Devendraha. All of you can follow this?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Same thing is written here in words. You can read. Please go through this. And explain why it is like that. Why we are replacing it by the letter A. The place of pronunciation of the letter I is throat, kanta, it is Sthani 1. And the place of pronunciation of the following letter, which is E, is palate, Sthani 2. So Sthani 1 is guttural and Sthani 2 is palatal. So guttural and palatal, which has this property A. Therefore, A is the A, which is guna letter, is the corresponding, is the exact, it is the exact match. So therefore, it replaces both the Sthanis. Okay, this is the thing. A is the only guna letter which is both guttural and palatal. Therefore, the guna letter A is the best match which will replace both the Sthanis. Then more examples. Sura plus Indraha. Same thing. Instead of Deva, here Sura. Sura plus Indraha becomes Surendraha. Sura plus Indraha becomes Surendraha. Sura A plus E. Then Para plus Upakaraha. Upakara is helping others. Paropakara is reaching out. Para plus Upakara. Para plus Upakara. A plus U. A plus U will become O. So you get Paropakaraha. So now these examples you have, in this example you have to find out the guna letter and then split accordingly. Ata plus idam. Ata plus idam. A plus E.
A.
Atedam.
Followed by E. Atedam.
It becomes atedam.
The earlier example, paropakara, that para plus A should be O, right? There.
It's A plus U,
Yes,
right?
it's a mistake. A plus U. It's a type copy paste. Okay, yes. Good. A plus U. A plus U only. Okay. Then tada plus iti. A plus this is akara, the long one. Akara plus iti becomes tadeti.
Tadeti.
A plus e becomes tadeti.
A plus E should become Tad.
Then yata plus uttishta. A plus u. Yatottishta. A plus u will become o. So you get yatottishta. So only the two letters combined become replaced by another word. All the other preceding letters remain same. So just need to add once you know the guna letter, which is a replacement, and after that just addition. But addition should not be a problem. Okay, that you have to see the preceding, the other letters and the following letters. Okay, understand these examples, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Is it difficult?
No,
No,
Guruji, we can do it.
No.
Just a minute. Right, what happened? Change the font of the whole thing. Something happened.
Oh, there's Vriddhi sir.
Page 43 we were, Guruji.
Yeah, on that. 43.
Not this.
43, Guruji.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, it's not, doesn't match now. Number doesn't match.
Ah, okay.
The font I have changed. So
Mm. Yep.
yes, this is one. Now more examples. You can read. Now, Padmaji, please read.
Cha by Ikara, so it changes into Adesha becomes a Surya plus Udayaha, Suryodayaha.
Tava plus idam, next line is.
Oh, sorry. Oh, God. Tava plus idam, tavedam. Surya plus Udayaha, Suryodayaha. Tata plus iti, tatheti. Next, let me put. Jalasya.
Understand this.
Yeah.
See, this Gunasandhi is happening. Okay, just not for reading only. Cha plus iti, A plus C becomes
A
A.
plus C becomes A. A plus C, that also A plus, here the Tava plus idam, A plus E becomes A. Here A plus U, Suryo becomes O, Suryo, that's a difference there. Tatha plus iti, tatheti. Again, akara plus ikara, ekara tatheti. Jalasya upari, jalasyopari. Again, tatha plus iva, tatheva. The same thing. Ya plus iti, yeti.
Yes. Okay. Next person now. Ya plus iti, yeti. You can note that.
Yeti,
Next person. Prabhu Desai, you can read. Ya plus idam. Are you there, Prabhu Desai?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ya plus iti, ati, the A plus E becomes A. Ya idam, ya plus idam becomes A plus E. A plus E becomes A. Edam, va, A plus E becomes veti. Va plus E becomes veti. Na plus idam becomes nedam. Param Ishwaraha.
And Param.
Parameshwara.
It is not Param.
Oh, Parama. Okay,
Parama plus Ishwaraha.
Ishwaraha, yes. Parama
If
plus
it is Param, if it is Param plus Ishwaraha, what will happen?
Parameshwara.
Oh, no, it's not. So there's no vowel there, no? It's a consonant. Yeah.
And if it is there, I'm asking what will happen? Param plus Ishwaraha.
Parameshwara.
What can be Parameshwara? Param plus Ishwaraha.
Parameshwara.
Parameshwaraha.
Yes. Parameshwaraha, yes.
So Parama, you have to say it.
Okay, Parama. Ishwaraha. Parameshwara. Tav idama. Tavedam. A plus E becomes Ve.
A plus E becomes A, not Ve. And the preceding letter is Vakara. Vakara plus A becomes Ve.
Okay. Yes.
Next person, Ram Kumarji.
Yes, Guruji. Atra plus iti becomes atreti. So a followed by E becomes A. So atreti. Tada plus yam, tadeyam. Similarly, A. So tadeyam.
A plus E. Okay.
A plus E. Yeah. So yatha plus ichhasi is yathechhasi. So a followed by E becomes A. So yathechhasi. Na plus iti is neti. Again, A is the sani. So na plus iti neti. So danta plus udaram is dantottaram. So O. Plus O becomes O. So dantottaram.
Next person, Kosilaji.
Rama plus iti, rameti. A plus E becomes A. Drishtva plus idam, drishtvedam. A plus E. Ratha plus uttamam, rathottamam. A plus U becomes O. Maha plus Ishvasaha, Maheshvasaha. A plus E becomes A. Ch plus Iyam, Cheyam. A plus E becomes A. Na plus Iha, Neha. A plus E becomes A.
Yes, next person, Priyaji.
Yes, Ji. Yasya indriyani. Yasyendriyani. So it's A plus E becomes A. Karma, karma plus indriyani. Again, karmendriyani. So karma A plus E becomes A. Manasa plus uttamam. Manasoktamam. A plus U becomes O. Brahma plus Udbhavam. Brahmodbhavam. A plus U becomes O. Ya plus Ime. Eme. A plus E becomes A. Yaya plus Idam. Yayetam. A plus E becomes A.
Yes, next person. Rajkumarji.
Yeah. Kena plus Ishitam.
Kena plus Ishita.
Yeah. Keneshitam. So A plus E becomes A. So Keneshitam. Tena plus Itam. Tenetam. Again A plus E becomes A. Atma plus Ati. Atmechati. Again A plus E becomes A. So Atmechati. Na plus Utvichet.
Udvijet.
Utvijet. Again A plus U. So this becomes O. So note Vijet. Loka plus Ukti. Lokokti. Again A plus U. O. So Lokokti. Itara plus Itara becomes Itare Taraha. Again here A plus E. So A.
Okay, next person. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Veera plus Indra, Virendra, A plus E, A. Maha plus Ishaha, Maheshaha, A plus E, A. Maha plus Uttara, Mahottara, A plus O, O. Gnanasya plus Upashamaha, Gnanasyopashamaha, A plus U, O. Surya plus Ushma, Suryoshma, A plus U, O. Ganga plus Urmi, Gangormi, A plus U, O. Deva plus Rishihi,
Lataji.
Devarshihi, A plus
It's
Ru.
okay. Okay, Lataji, next person.
Jnana plus Upadeshaha. Jnanopadeshaha. Plus U becomes O. Guna plus Ishaha.
Not Guna, it is Gana.
Gana plus Ishaha. Ganeshaha. A plus E becomes O. Eka plus Unaha. Ekonaha. A plus U becomes O. Ekonaha. Surya plus Ushma. Suryoshma. A plus U. O. Suryosma. Hita plus Upadeshaha. Hitopadeshaha. A plus U becomes O. Ardha plus Induhu. This is Andu, not
Enduhu. It is a typo.
Addenduhu.
And this one you can note, Deva plus Rishihi, A plus Ru is replaced by,
Ar. Devarshi.
that you can see Ar is here, Devarshihi. Next person, Manjulaji.
Rama plus Ishaha, Rameshaha, A plus E, A. Na plus Indriyardheshu,
Indriyartheshu.
Indriyartheshu, Nendriyartheshu. Na plus E, A plus E, A. Na plus Ingate, Ningate, A plus E, A. Yatra plus uparamate. Yatroparamate. A plus u, o. Kaschinna plus ubhayabhrashtaha. Kaschinobhayabhrashtaha. A plus u, o. Naiva plus iha. Naiveha. A plus e, a.
Okay. I think we can stop here. So please do go through this, and all the examples and the abhyasa also. You can try. Go through the examples. You have to write it actually. Then only it gets registered in the mind. Takes a few examples. Similarly, sandhi vichedam kuruta. You have to split the words. So you can take this as homework and do it, and we will meet after Deepavali. Wish you all happy Deepavali. So we stop our class here.
Thank you, Guruji. You too.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Already I sent this Sandhi file to you. Okay.
Oh,
Yes, Guruji.
You have got it. So you have to refer that. It's not something
Yeah, that's
new.
what we are referring, Guruji.
Somebody is asking whether it is in the Google Drive. It's not. You have it. I sent it to the WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
If anybody wants, please you can share it again.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please.
Okay, we stop here.
And you will send the file.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
Dhanyavad,
Wishing you
Thank you, Guruji. Guruji, tomorrow we'll have, na?
Sharanji, the Abhyasa will be sent like last time, right? Abhyasa file. Okay.
No, everything is already sent. Not sent, already sent.
Oh, I have to look because I didn't see it. Okay.
The whole file is already sent.
Oh. Okay, I didn't print out. Okay, that's what I only print out 40 pages till the end Sandhi. Okay, I see what you're saying. There are 3 more pages. Okay.
Tomorrow we have class. Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Tomorrow
And
thank you.
happy Deepavali, Sharanji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali. Dhanyavad, Guruji.